Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find items on 50% discount in the Bimba Lola application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the menu. Press on it and here you should select the fourth option, which is from 50% off. And you will see here now the items that have at least 50% discount, and if you want to apply further filters to them, you can just press on the filters at the top of your right corner, and here you can set, for example, the size, the colors, and you can also set basically a price range here, and after that you can just press apply down below. And now you will be able to see the items here with those filters. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.